Yeah, well, Skyline represents a unique package similar to that seen at the Troodos ophiolite sequence in Cyprus, which hosts over 30 mines, the largest of which being 17 million tonnes at 4.5%. So we've got identical rocks, identical setting, and identical mineralisation of what we've seen in the drilling so far. So what we've got is a duplication of that sequence, and that has historically produced a lot of copper in the past, and we're only just scratching the surface of what the potential is at Skyline. Skyline is one of those unique high margin sort of assets that can be brought online quite quickly because of the type of ore it is. It is, typically, a lot of metal in one small place. So the ability to produce high margin ores pretty quickly and concentrates can then be expedited for production. So, like I said, we've only scratched the surface and what we've seen there so far. With 25 kilometres of strike, we've got a lot more potential to grow. Firetail is well funded at the moment. We did a cap raise a couple of months ago. We've got money to go grow these pipeline of drill ready targets that across Skyline and the Peacher project. So at Skyline, in the short term, we'll be developing these walk-up drill targets defined by this 3D IP, which we're about to kick off in the next 2 weeks. Followed up by further EM targeting, which will then further feed that pipeline of drill targets. In parallel with that, down at Peacher project, we've obviously got the backing of the BHP Explore program, and that's advancing really well as well. So in the coming weeks and months, we'll be demonstrating the amount of drill targets we have, really drilling down on what they are and sort of narrowing down on where the drill will actually go in the next phase of drilling across the Skyline project specifically. We'll advance the targets identified by the EM recently in the south, so further geophysical surveys and on-ground analysis of what we've got happening down there. And in parallel with that, the Peacher project will be advancing as well with focusing on that porphyry targeting that we've got there with the backing of BHP, gathering the data so we can prepare for our next drilling in that area as well.